Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Chana Masala. It's a delicious recipe, simple one. I'm going to show how to make restaurant style Chana Masala. Try this recipe at home, step by step follow my recipe and you all will enjoy this. So let's get started. In order to make, I've taken chana kabuli 250 grams. First what you have to do is wash it, soak it overnight and keep it. That's what I did, and now I'm going to boil them. Put it in a pressure cooker with water, add salt and keep it for boil 4 to 5 whistles. So let's start with the cooking process. Once the pan is hot, add black cardamom, 8 pieces of cloves, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 bay leaf and half an inch of cinnamon stick. Slightly dry roast. Now add oil. Keep the flame on medium. Now add onion. So I have taken 3 onion puree, medium size. Now saute this onion till it becomes golden brown in color. Once the onion is sauté, keep the flame on low. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon dry coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Chana Masala powder. This you get it easily on every store. Mix this. Now add blended tomato puree. I've taken 2 medium sized tomato. Mix it well. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 chopped green chilli. Mix it and let it cook for a while. Now add the chole. The gravy should be right. As you've seen how well we saute the gravy, you have to saute it the same way. Now adjust the consistency. Once it start to simmer, adjust the seasoning. Very important. Now add 1 tablespoon of ketchup and sprinkle some coriander, fresh coriander. Mix it well. Guys, check this out. Our delicious chana masala is ready. You can try this recipe at home. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.